And now we're gonna do the look inspired by air. So really is just kind of like a really light frosting all over the eye. And then the look also has some silver swirls around the eye, which I thought was really fun. So I'm gonna create a very shimmery eye using the Rooftop Bronze palette. And I'm going to use a bit of this champagne color and also this kind of stark white and very like light golds all over the eye. So what I'm going to do is, because I want that really stark kind of white shimmery shade on the eyes, I'm going to use the Silver Strike gel pencil as my base all over the eye. And I love this as a base and I'm just going to use that and then blend out very quickly. You can also use your finger kind of in the center of the eye, just so like that's really concentrated. And then, yeah, blend out with the finger. And then what I'm going to do is apply, and I'm mixing the two lightest, like the champagne color and also this color. And I'm going to really saturate my finger and then place and stipple and kind of put that all over and press that in to the Silver Strike. Really pretty. You don't even need brushes. And I'm just going to kind of tap that into my skin as a highlighter. And now I'm going to do the other eye. To line my eye with the deep teal Tattoo Studio gel liner, and I'm just going to bring that out. So I kind of did like line my eye and then did a wing, but see, when I look downwards you see the tail, but when you do that you actually see that it stops. And this is just like a really easy hack to creating that kind of shape that you want with a liner. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and use mascara to finish off the lashes. Okay, so the look calls for kind of like a swirly, I want to say flower around the eye. So I'm going to use the Silver Strike gel liner, and my only suggestion is don't overthink it, because remember, it's makeup, it washes off. If you make a mistake, you can always fix it. And so I'm using the Silver Strike liner, and again, I'm just gonna create like a swirly kind of like that. And then the look also calls for a double, but I might just do that. And that is Air. And I'm gonna do the other eye. And the other eye was, again, it didn't have to really mirror this. So I might even go a little lower. Maybe start here. And again, I like that it looks a little more abstract with the one. I'm going to finish off the look with the Super Stay Matte Ink Crayon Pencil in Own Your Empire. And I just love how these go on so seamlessly. And you can like to outline and then fill. And again, pressing the lips together is key. What I think a lot of people don't know is that there is a sharpener on the end of the pencil, and then you can always sharpen and get a really precise line. And that is my look for Air.